I want to show you the latest update with Cricut Design Space. Let's say you want to copy an image from one project into another. So here's a project that I've done already. I made a couple shirts for a friend. But what if I want to use this dinosaur again in a different project? Okay, so what I'm going to first do is go over here and minimize this so that it doesn't fill the whole screen. And I'm just going to slide it over there. Okay, so now I'm going to go File and go New Window. And see how it opens up a second Design Space window? So now I can say New Project. So now I'm going to slide this guy over here. Come on. Now I have a new project. Okay, so now let's find the dinosaur that I liked. Oh, he's all in separate pieces. Oh, here. If I do this and group him all together, now he's one big group. So now I can right click on this and go copy and then move over into this other screen and go paste. It's being a little slower than I would like, but there it is. So now I have my dinosaur image that I took from my shirt project and moved it over into another project. I hope that helped you to learn how to copy and paste an image or design from one project to another in Cricut Design Space. Let me know how much this is going to change your Cricut crafting world in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.